Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 8 divided 1 by 8 times 8. It looks simple, right? But still many people fail to solve it. Why? Because they cancel out the 8 with 8 and 8 divided by 1 is 8, which is the incorrect answer. Why? Because when there is a symbol 8 divided 1 by 8 times 8 and 8 multiply 1 by 8 times 8, both have different question. In this question, you can cancel out 8 by 8 and the answer is 8. But when this given the division sign, it's 8 divided 1 by 8, not 8 divided 8. Okay, so what you have to solve when this is given, you have to follow KCF rule. Here, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So when you flip or reciprocal the left right hand, so it becomes 8 by 1 times 8. So which is equal 8 times 8 times 8, that is 8 times 8 is 64 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32, carry over 3 here. 8 times 6 is 48, 49, 50, 51, 512, which is a cube of 8, right? So what is the correct answer? 512, not 8. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. So what is the difference between 8 divided 1 by 8 or 8 multiply 1 by 8, right? I hope it's clear. So if you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.